3 days after Prime Minister Narendra Modi brought Sheesh Mahal to the Delhi Dangal, the Delhi CM's official residence being renovated at exaggerated cost is back in the headlines. The BJP has now latched on to the issue to show the mirror to the Aam Aadmi Party over the graft taint haunting the party. Now, the BJP candidate Parvesh Verma, who is taking on Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi constituency in the upcoming polls, has written a letter to Delhi Chief Minister Atishi on the issue, and he has requested her to throw open the former official residence of the Aam Aadmi Party chief for public viewing. In his letter, Verma said that the residence has now become an important symbol of Delhi's governance and administration history, and voters of Kejriwal's constituency wish to understand what the place looks like where their elected representative spent his tenure.
मैंने दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री आतिशी जी को मैंने पत्र लिखा है और मैंने उसमें कहा है कि यहाँ की नई दिल्ली विधानसभा की जनता जहाँ पर उनके टैक्स का पैसा लगा, जहाँ पर उनके विकास का पैसा लगा, तो वो शीश महल को देखना चाहते हैं कि वो शीश महल कैसा बना। क्योंकि जब दिल्ली में पूरी तरीके से लॉकडाउन था, जब आदमी बाहर नहीं निकल पाता था, ये सारा शीश महल उसी दौरान ही बन रहा था। ये बहुत ही शर्म की बात है। तो यहाँ के लोगों ने मुझे कहा, जी कैसा है, आज तक तो दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री ने 11 साल में हमको अपने घर नहीं बुलाया, तो हम एक बार देखना चाहते हैं वो शीश महल कैसा बना है।
Well, Sheesh Mahal, facing allegations of misuse of taxpayers' money for fancy renovations, has been a sore point in the Delhi politics. But the Aam Aadmi Party has consistently maintained that all the charges levelled against them, including this one, are concocted. Arvind Kejriwal himself has said that he sees all these allegations as a bid to frame him and his colleagues.
हमारी पार्टी के सबसे शीर्ष के नेताओं को इन लोगों ने जेल भेज दिया। हमारे ऊपर इतने अत्याचार किए, इतना हम लोगों को तंग परेशान किया, हमारी पार्टी पे अत्याचार किए। हम सब लोग अभी अगस्त सितंबर में जेल से छूट के आए हैं, लेकिन हमने अपने ऊपर हुए अत्याचार को मुद्दा नहीं बनाया। अपने ऊपर हुए अत्याचार को अगर हम दिल पे ले लेते तो ये दिल्ली मेट्रो की आज लाइन नहीं बनती, आज ये उद्घाटन नहीं होता।
My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, so the issue, the dangal over the Sheesh Mahal is here to say. The BJP training guns at Arvind Kejriwal over the alleged massive amount of money being put in to the official CM residence for renovations.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, the BJP has gone all guns blazing against the Aam Aadmi Party over the Sheesh Mahal. Now, yesterday, BJP leader Parvesh Verma, who is going to contest against Mr. Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi constituency, has written a letter to Delhi Chief Minister Atishi stating that the Sheesh Mahal should be made a tourist spot, as the people of the national capital should know where their tax money, where their development money was being spent. He also accused the former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal for looting the people of the national capital, for looting the dreams of the people of the national capital and spending on the Sheesh Mahal. See, yesterday Prime Minister Narendra Modi also mentioned about the Sheesh Mahal, stating that the people of the national capital is proud of the Bharat Mandapam, Yashobhoomi and other development projects by the central government. But the Abda government has wasted the 10 years of the people of the national capital by not doing anything. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that several cabs here in the national capital avoid going to certain routes because of massive traffic. And clearly the attack from the BJP is continuously escalating as far as the Sheesh Mahal is concerned. On the other hand, the Aam Aadmi Party has denied all the allegations that has been levelled against them by the BJP. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal yesterday stated that during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech of 38 minutes. For 28 minutes, he abused the people of the national capital. In fact, he stated that the Delhi Dehat people are waiting for the promises made by the Prime Minister during the 2020 to be fulfilled yet. Whereas Prime Minister Narendra Modi also cited that how during the COVID period, rather than providing help to the people of the national capital, the former Chief Minister was spending the money on the Sheesh Mahal. So clearly, a lot of allegations coming in from the BJP side, as the BJP has prepared to go all guns blazing against the Aam Aadmi Party as far as the Sheesh Mahal is concerned.
Okay.